Hello, this is Hassan Akhtar and welcome back to my channel 50 Shades of Life. Okay, today I'm going to tell you कि आपकी ज़ुबान में अंग्रेज़ी बोलने में fluency कैसे आएगी. Well, I believe there are hundreds and thousands of videos available on the YouTube जो आपको बड़े दकीक और मुश्किल किस्म के solutions दे रहे हैं कि fluency ऐसे आएगी. और आप भी सोचते होंगे कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा किताबें पढ़ूंगा, मैं सबटाइटल्स के बगैर वीडियोज़ और मूवीज़ देखूंगा, और उसके बाद मैं थोड़ी बहुत प्रैक्टिस करूंगा और उसके बाद मैं किताबें बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ूंगा अंग्रेज़ी में और मैं फ्लुएंट हो जाऊंगा. नो नो नो, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ वेरी सिंपल टिप टू मेक यू अ वेरी फ्लुएंट गुड स्पीकर ऑफ द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. और वो क्या है? प्रैक्टिस. आई एम सॉरी बट विदाउट इट देयर इज नो सोल्यूशन. Practice it. Speak as much as you can, okay? Or maybe hire a tutor. Speak with him, and then he will guide you what are the things lacking in your conversation. And away from that tutor, you speak with your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, your workplace, and wherever is the chance. You speak it. Without practice, you are never ever going to be a fluent speaker. I'm telling you. Although I'm a good speaker, if not very good, maybe I can speak English no problem, but still being a professional, being a teacher of the English language, having a 17th grade and being this, and running this YouTube channel, I still work more than my own students. And I often tell them, I would watch videos and I would speak it with as many persons as I have the feeling that they can speak it. Okay, so this is practice. और what I believe, ladies and gentlemen, कि मैं उसको जितना ज़्यादा बोलता हूँ, यकीन करें मुझे लगता है कि उतना ही मुझ में निखार आता जा रहा है. Because I practice it. So it's only practice which can make you a really great speaker, a fluent speaker. इसके अलावा अगर आप किसी चीज़ पे अमल कर रहे हैं तो it's going to be a waste of time. So it's only practice. Keep practicing speaking English and someday you will be fluent. I promise. That's it for today. See you next time.